Okay, so I am off the wait list for the famous Google AI mode. So let's see what this beast can do. AI mode is available in English users over the age 18 in the United States who opted in via Labs. So basically you needed to join the Labs waitlist and then you received the invitation to try Google AI mode. So basically, what is the Google AI mode? I would describe it that if you try the Perplexity, basically it's something like that. So it's AI powered search, and I'm not sure what is Google actually doing here. Kind of hurting perhaps itself and certainly hurting small content creators and all content creators, because it provides AI-based searches which are in many cases not leading to the click to the site which is needed for anyone to earn any money, both for Google and both for the small content creator. And of course, small content creators will hurt much more than Google. So basically what it say here, they are running this AI mode experiment. You can ask anything anyway, then do some different comparison. You will get resources, sources, comparison made better, research made easy, etc., etc. So let's try it out. You can go to the google.com/AI mode or go to google.com and enter a question in the search bar and tap AI mode below the search bar. Okay, so let's do that. This is AI mode. So it says meet AI mode. So let's ask it some question. First, let's ask it what is AI mode. You know, it's kind of reasoning now, the same thing like DeepSeek, Perplexity, ChatGPT, etc. Basically with this, Google is trying to compete and is competing with ChatGPT search, Perplexity search, and all of other AI models that are now implementing all of the search in their environment. Okay, so it gives us a good breakdown on what AI mode is. So if we ask the standard Google, what is Google AI mode, it already offered the, AI summaries, and now it's giving us also summary here and asking us to click, of course, to some of the website. In this example, in AI mode, you see you can click on these websites, but most of the cases, this will be enough for you. So again, saying this is hurting content creators for sure. So let's ask it a couple of other questions. I prepared a couple of examples here. So, okay, let's ask it that what I mentioned. How will Google AI mode impact content creators? Let's see. Google AI mode designed to provide more comprehensive and nuanced answers to complex queries is expected to significantly impact small bloggers and content creators, potentially affecting their visibility, traffic, and revenue streams. So Google says it by itself that it will impact significantly impact small bloggers and content creators. So here's a breakdown. Decreased website traffic and visibility, shift in SEO strategies, potential decline in revenue, increased importance of user experience and content quality, potential new opportunities. Yeah, really, potential new opportunities when you lost all of the traffic on your website. Great, Google. But I'm not sure what are they actually doing, because Google primary earning method is through advertisement. So without ads, they are also not earning money. If I only read this and do not click to any of the website, for example, there will be ads, advertisement on some of the website, on most of the website. But okay, let's go back. Let's ask additional question. Let's see how good it is. For example, can you compare top 5 laptops under $1,000? Okay, here we go. Here is the summary. Apple MacBook Air 13 M2 Pros, stunning Retina display. Then we have Acer, Lenovo, Acer Chromebook. So okay, let's see what will standard Google search do. Let's compare those side by side. So already we have AI overview in standard Google search, basically giving us mostly the same things. Here we have more comprehensive info, and then we can again click to some of the websites. But again, if you're searching for comparisons and only like that, this will be enough and you will not click to the websites. Let's say, give me more. Okay, let's dive deeper. Okay. Yeah, basically you don't need to go to the website at all. It will give you all of the summaries. And I think this is not good. But yeah, we'll see. Let's ask some additional questions. What are top 5 restaurants in New York and why? Here are 5 highly regarded restaurants in New York City. Le Bernardin, Gramensi Tavern. Good, good. Okay. Okay, can you now create... Okay, so this result on creating table is not really good. Perplexity is doing that much better. Okay, now give me a top 10 people with highest IQ ever. Okay, so here we have a table. This is good. Let's see. Jung Hong Kim. This is not confirmed information. I know that personally. Terence Tao is fine, fine, fine. Okay, let's see the sites that Google is referring to. Okay, so nothing special here, but once again, it is kind of urging you not to click to any of the sites, but just use Google Search and Google Summary. So okay, here is the article, and this website is using ads, and it will lose a lot of revenue, most likely, if people start to use only Google AI mode for search and not clicking on the website. I will repeat this constantly during this kind of a tutorial because I think it has a huge impact for I mean, there are millions and millions of content creators around the world, and if all the companies will decide to create AI summaries and AI-based content and returning AI-based results, then nobody will click to blogs or websites. Really, really not good. Can someone please share in the comment how will Google benefit from that? I mean, their financial model is based on ads, 80%. I think their revenue come from ads and something like that. So yeah, let's see. One additional question: how to speed up WordPress site? It's a pretty standard question, and then we have a basic answer: choose a fast content provider, optimize WordPress core. Theme optimization, optimize image, caching, and CDN. Give me example of code optimization. Let's see. Okay, so here it does give you a kind of unoptimized code. This is unoptimized code. Then optimization. This would be optimized code. Okay, we can get that in any other LLM. I think search should be left as it was, but that's only my opinion. Okay, let's see, for example, this. Can you describe what is happening in this YouTube video? This is basically YouTube video with Joe Rogan and Naval Ravikant. The content of YouTube video can be described, okay? Based on the available information, the video appears to be part of the series called Now Talks with Vika. Vika Victoria. No, not at all. This series focuses on navigating modern change, drawing in Google. This is very, very wrong. So let me show you that it's very wrong. Okay, so this is the link to the YouTube.
2, 1, boom. All right, we're live. Thank you very much for doing this, man. I really appreciate it. I've been absorbing your information.
As you see, this
and
is Joe Rogan podcast, and Google said that it's Vika Talks, Vika Victoria. And then let's ask this really general question. What is currently happening in the world? Give me a summary of most important news in science, finance, and geopolitical. Let's see what will happen here. Okay, here's the summary of major news in science. In science, new cancer vaccine trials. Good. Solid-state battery advancement. Also good. AI-powered tools in healthcare and research. Finance. Capital market poised for rebound. Concerns about trade policy. AI and energy infrastructure investment. Geopolitics, rising tensions in the Middle East, as always. US-China rivalry intensifies, as always. Yeah, so basically you can wake up, in the morning and then ask it this question, and it will give you a summary of everything, and you don't need to go to any of the news sites. I hope that this will not live and completely replace Google search, because it will not be good for all of the content creators. But yeah, in this couple of minutes, you saw what is the Google new AI mode. It is currently in the testing phase. Let's see what will Google do. But yeah, Google is constantly changing their standard search. Now we had a Google March update that changed a lot of things for many content creators. And it will, obviously, Google will do that constantly and constantly change everything. And I think it is also hurting itself. But Google needs to do something, because we have Perplexity and all of those other, for example, that are doing the same. And Google is losing search market share, and it will continue probably to lose. Now I think Google is still serving like more than 90 something% of searches, but in the matter of years it will continue to lose the search, and we'll see what will happen. Yeah, I hope that you really enjoyed this video, that it was useful for you. If it was, please do like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.